We're now going to be running the unit tests, and doing so is quite simple. You're just going to run this command, python test_myArray.py in the terminal, and it'll actually create a report of all the pass and failed tests. So let's go ahead and flip over here again to VS Code. So if you're in the Python fundamentals directory, you need to cd #1 into module 16. So that is be the current working directory where test_myArray.py is located. So I'm just going to do python test_myArray.py. I'm going to run this, and they're all going to fail because myArray, as we've seen, is returning none. So it just has pass, which means it'll just return none. And if you look over here, it says ran 9 tests and failures 9. So it's pretty cool. You get a report, and for each test that fails, you'll see what happens over here. So this is one of the tests. It said on line 22. Let me go back over here, sorry. So this is the specific test that failed. So it says none. That was the result. Did not equal the expected. The expected is this right here. So for this function to work, it should have returned this right here, this little array right there. But instead, test mul constant, I think that's what it was. Yes, this is just multiplication, return none, and that's why it says none right here, and that definitely does not equal this array, so we failed that test. So anyways, that's what we're going to do. We're going to slowly build our myArray module, and then we're going to run the tests, and eventually we'll have all 9 tests passing, and once we have them passed, then we have confidence that we've correctly built our module, and then can use it somewhere else when it is needed. All right, so that's it for running the unit tests.